That is Minnesota.
What state is this?
Nebraska.
What state is this?
Oklahoma.
What state is this?
No, that
What is it?
Reno is there.
Reno is there. What state is this?
California.
What state is this one?
New Mexico.
Okay, and what state is that one?
Washington.
Mm.
No,
No,
the last
what is this
state.
one? What is this one?
No, the last state.
Okay, what's this one?
Maine.
No, that is Maine. Okay, one more thing. Which is this Dorothy state? A Wizard of the Oz.
That one.
And what is it?
Sunflowers.
Sunflowers one. What state is that?
Sunflower state.
What is the name of the state?
Kansas.
Very good. Okay, one last one. Last one. And then the end. What is this one?
West Virginia.
Very good. Okay.